it's Lori, Positive Things Living, and just going to show you a little something that I finished. I'm going to be giving it to a young girl in our church as, I don't know, just a little gift. So pink and purple. My daughter tells me that her room is pink, so hopefully choosing the right style. This is a waterfall journal, and I've got, it's made with 12 by 12 papers folded in half, and I'll show you why once I've gone through all the pages. Some cardstock. The pages themselves are just paper, and I added stickers and things that hopefully a young teen would like. Oh, there's a paper corner. Belly bands. This was a download. Excuse me. Oh, wow. Some stickers. Yeah, I just went through my stash, and anything that was pink or purple I put in. So these pages are folded in half, 12 by 12, and each page is a pocket. So it's like a hidden place to have journaling spots, or she likes to draw, this young lady. And I've sort of, one page goes in this side, one page is an upper pocket, and it works out really nicely. It's not too thick, and we can see. I just tucked other writing things into each one. So if she wants to draw something, or if she wants to write something, she has extras that are hidden. And at that age, having things that are hidden hopefully will be fun. So it's a waterfall journal, and it was simple to come together. I'm including a really small package of extras for her, and two pens, pink and purple, and some washi, and some extra stickers, so that she can have fun adding to the embellishments. I have a die cut. Our daughter's Cricket, the small joy, it can cut out letters, so I'll be putting her name on the outside here. Take care. It's Lori at Positive Thanks Living. Have a wonderful day. Happy crafting.